So we're at a property. It's a terrace property. It's got no water supply, so it makes it a little bit tricky. You have to keep your eye on the time. Okay, so first we're gonna clean up the area. As you can see, there's leaves, there's a lot of debris. Well, this electric blower just makes everything lightweight. So you can use a broom, but I prefer to use this big picker. It saves a lot more energy, and that only cost me 50 quid. If you want to know where I got this from, just leave a comment below and I'll let you know where I got it from. Saves you buying something for like 100 quid, 150 quid, 200 quid. It's the same job. Okay, so we're going to start the pressure wash. So we can start off here with the upper part of the building. So we clean the doors, the soffits underneath. We start from the top. We hit the gutters first, and then we hit the soffits. Initially, spray the property with a chemical called TFR. It's a non-caustic. It's basically like a soap. And basically gets all the dirt on the right one. Just let that sit for a bit. Just clean up the alarm bell. And then just let it go. So the dirt's coming up nicely. It's going to hit the top of the windows, some cobwebs up here. Just trying to get all of it from there. Just go from left to right, right to left. As you can see, the lower gutters there. You can see the salt, that's like the TFR, so it's just cleaning everything. It's giving me an extra hand. Got on a good amount of pressure on the pressure washer, so we don't have to keep going over the same area. We just glide over it once, maybe twice, saves a bit of time. Just doing a little wash area here, because here was pretty dirty. So we're going to put a little bit of dirt in here. That's why it's got the windows with the bars there as well. So just clean the area. Always like to clean the area. Don't like to spend too much time. Hold on, wait. Just gotta just make way for the customer.